Hey everyone, Keli James here, your Las Vegas real estate advisor with Epique Realty. I have an incredible opportunity for you today. Welcome to 1350 Rossini, a stunningly remodeled luxury home right here in Las Vegas. If you've been searching for the perfect blend of modern elegance, functionality, and style, this home is calling your name. And guess what? You can see it in person at our exclusive open house this Saturday from 12 to 3 p.m. If you can't make it, don't worry. I'd be happy to schedule a private showing because trust me, these pictures do not do this home the justice it deserves. Just give me a call at 702-265-4323. This home is all about luxurious, open-concept living. The chef's kitchen is a true showstopper featuring high-end stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and stunning Waterfall quartz countertops, perfect for entertaining. The spacious living area is designed for both comfort and sophistication, with a sleek electric fireplace, custom shelving, and oversized windows that bring in natural light. Now let's talk about your private retreat, the primary suite. This oversized bedroom is beautifully designed with modern finishes, a spa-like ensuite bathroom, and a walk-in closet that will make all your storage dreams come true. And check out this luxurious soaking tub and rainfall shower. Can't you already picture yourself unwinding here after a long day? This home has plenty of space with additional bedrooms that are perfect for family, guests, or even a home office. The laundry room is a dream. Tons of counter space, modern appliances, and a special feature for all our pet lovers, a built-in dog wash station. Whether you have a big pup or a small one, this makes bath time easy and stress-free for your fur babies. This home is move-in ready and waiting for you. Come see it for yourself at our open house this Saturday from 12 to 3 p.m. or call me at 702-265-4323 to schedule a private showing. Homes like this don't last long in Las Vegas, so don't miss out. See you soon.